How to unstake your cake tokens after the lockup period. Hello everyone, welcome back to another video, and in this video I'm just gonna quickly go through on how to actually unstake your cake tokens after the lockup period has expired. So the first thing you want to do is open up the wallet that you initially used to stake your cake tokens. And if your on-site balance doesn't automatically update, you can just refresh the page and that should do the trick. So as you can see, my lockup period has ended. Anyway, from here, you can just click onto the details. This allows you to see your recent cake profits as well as some other information. So now, as you can also see, there is no actual unstake option, but there is still a way to unstake your tokens. So to do this, you would first need to click on Convert to Flexible and approve the transaction. After a few moments, your screen should refresh. From there, click onto the minus sign and using the slider below, you can select the amount of tokens that you would like to unstake. After doing so, click on Confirm and confirm the transaction. And there you go, your cake tokens have been unstaked.